Okay. Oh, that stinks, doesn't it? This is not a video of sympathy or anything. This is a video of what can happen. And this is like 2018. There's a leak there. So all the water's come through the roof. This is my daughter's house. And last night, that's bad, isn't it? They had a fire. It absolutely reeks. Oh my god. This is what they came home to. Actually, they were very lucky. What was it called, Andrew?
Well, they will find out.
But I mean, you know, what they call it? A flash? A flashover.
Look at that.
Oh. This was last night. About what time? Well, it started early on, didn't it? It looks like a derelict house, Kate.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah.
This is the granddaughter's room. So lucky, so lucky. No one was in. Is this the plug socket down here, Kate?
That's the one down there, yeah.
Okay, and
where it's all started.
that's the culprit. We don't know why. They're doing an investigation at the moment. So, by the way, this is not a sympathy video. This is a warning video because they did have fire angels in.
Yeah.
We've got fire angels.
Everything was fine.
Everything was working.
Can you show me some light down here, Dad?
Yeah. That's the socket.
Oh, I haven't been doing my video. Doesn't matter.
That's okay. No, go on, carry on.
No, I haven't been doing it. Just want pictures, I think.
Right. The trouble is, our granddaughter is a very heavy sleeper, but it's all right because all the fire angels, 4 of them you got, isn't it?
4.
And carbon dioxide poisoning ones as well. So what mistake is, my lad's a fireman, and he says you must have them because this is what happens. Your neighbour's there, Kate. Just outside there, yeah. And then there's damage.
Hiya.
Oh my god.
Okay, so I let you in. Yeah? Lewis,
Yeah.
there's a loss. Someone from the council about loss of the.
Oh, we've got someone coming in, have we?
No,
Okay.
but you'll have to just go get him from the back.
Oh my god, you wouldn't believe the damage. They reckon how hot, Andrew? About 1,000 degrees. Because Andrew works for like I said, the fire service. He said the lads who came were actually a little bit scared because it's one of the worst scenarios you can get. It's like called a flashback? Flashover. So what'd you say?
Might be, I don't know if it is.
Okay.
You would know.
I think.
It's not just that, it's like personal loss.
Oh, you've left your bin here.
Who does it? Yeah. That was Little Bastion.
Oh, it's going off.
To take the plaster off the wall.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that's so thick?
Something splattered.
So this is what? How many hours later?
4.
10 hours later.
10 hours
About 10 hours afterwards. So, but they did their job, didn't they? They did the job.
I know, that's how it lies. It's the worst bit of the cake. It's like...
So, this is the kiddies' room. It's not a mess, this is what they've done. This is what the fire brigade come in, they clear everything away and check. Oh, look at that, bed's a mess. Poor kiddies. What a mess. So, anyway, they're staying with us for now.
It just creeps up the wall.
That's just shattered glass. Like I said, that's the fire angel. It did its job. They came home, and four of them, all four alarms were going off. And this is what's this? What is this called? This is the carbon dioxide poisoning one, isn't it?
Yeah, carbon fire angel.
Or fire angel. So how many of these did you have? A couple of these as well.
One of those upstairs and one of those downstairs. And
Okay.
then there's a fire alarm there.
Yeah, you got 4 fire alarms as
Fire
well.
alarm
Yeah.
down
There you go.
there. Oh, it might be alright in there.
Bob was alright, Kate.
Yeah, Bob was
The
involved.
toilet rolls all right. The toilet
I
rolls.
need to smell that.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, we know. Just.
Okay.